So this arrived on my door today, at my door. I'm gonna measure it. It is over 3 foot tall. It's like 3 foot 4 inches. It's ridiculous. This is wool.
I like chicken.
We all know you like chicken. That would be my child. One of my childs. It is a day. Okay, there's paper there that I don't want to tear up. There it is. There we go. Come on. This knife is not sharp, Matthew. We have got to sharpen your pocket knife. This is ridiculous. Of course, the amount of tape used on this box is impressive. Whoa! It's exploding! Oh, what joy! I gotta move it back. It is still exploding. Oh God, that is a big bag of wool. How did they get all this in here? Oh my God. Somebody has some impressive packing skills. Number 2. Come on. Gray wool and white wool. And now I can't reach the bottom of the box. That's the bamboo. And this is the sparkle. Gotta be. Yeah. That's actually labeled bamboo. Alright, Matthew, walk towards me.
Where are you at?
This way. You're facing the right way. Can you see where you're going?
No.
Okay, you can stop now. Okay, so I have ordered 2 bags of New England carded sliver. So I've got Shear's Choice Cheviot and Silver Gray Local. And then 2 pounds of bamboo top and 2 pounds of lyocell fiber. So now I'm going to show you the lyocell fiber. That's this. It's supposed to be really sparkly. It sure is shimmery. So something I've never used before. I thought it would be fun to dye it up in different colors. It's crimpy. Oh, this will be fun to add into bats for texture. Oh, you guys probably couldn't even see that. This is a little... back down. Curly synthetic fiber. It's not really sparkly so much as it's really, really shiny. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Alright, that's the unboxing. Okay, since I have never worked with this particular blend of wool before from this company, I thought I would give it a little sample spin, and I ended up picking a sample that was much too big, but it's all good. I have a nice size skein left at the end. As you can see there, the staple length is kind of all over the place. There's some short, some long, and everything in between. But it was a lot of fun to spin. If I can get my wheel threaded right, there we go. So this sliver is not going to make a consistent yarn because the staple length is so inconsistent, and the amount of twist you put into it has to be inconsistent to accommodate the differences in fiber type and length. But I found it to be a lot of fun. I started with a very short, continuous backward draft, and I tried a little bit of short forward, although that wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do. And I ended up moving into long draw, I think after I was done filming. I'm not sure if you'll see any of that, but it did prefer the long draw, and I'm really happy with the finished yarn. It poofed up a bit in the wash, which you will get to see part of the washing because I wanted to show you how much dirt came out, and it did have some dirt in it. So I was grateful to wash it, and then I gave it one wash with soap and one rinse, and that was that. And I'm plying from a center pole plying ball. I should have waited a day or two to, actually I think I did let it wait. I don't remember. I didn't let it wait. I immediately went into plying. It's been a week since I did this, or 2 weeks or something. Anyway, I am way behind on editing, but so I'm trying to remember what I did is not happening. But anyways, plying from a center pole plying ball was super easy. I had minimum issues with it. Kept forgetting to move my hook, but it is what it is. So overall, I am very happy with the yarn. Not too keen on the amount of veg matter and dirt, but I spin raw wool, so it doesn't really bother me. And whatever veg matter and dirt and stuff is left in there, well, there's no dirt left, but any veg matter that's left will wiggle its way out over time. Here is the wash. I guess I'll voice over the whole thing here. And you can see there's a little bit of dirt in the water, but not a lot, so it's fairly clean. I want to say it's more like dusty than dirty, if you will. And then I just put it in for a soak, and I didn't bother to show the result of that because the water was completely clear. So there's the rinse soak, and then it will dry. Hey guys, I'm back with a roundup with the yarn that I spun from this New England blend of Sliver. No clue what the sheep breeds are. It doesn't say. It just says New England blend, so I know they're all local US sheep. And I love the yarn. Love how it turned out. It's got just a little bit of stretch to it. I'm not happy with how much veg is in this, but that's the only thing I'm not happy with. It was really fun to spin. The veg matter falls out super duper easy, and I was sitting here a minute ago picking little bits of veg out of the yarn, and it comes out super easy. I know that it will wiggle its way out over time and use, because things like Kemp and veg matter do like to wiggle their way out of spun yarn over the course of time. So I'm not too concerned about that. What I'm concerned about is how you will feel if I put this fiber in some bats. So we're going to be experimenting a bit more with this over the next few months. I have a lot of dyeing to do. I would love to send this through the tumbler, which is currently living at a friend's house. If I could send it through the tumbler, I wouldn't have any qualms with it at all. It is all different lengths. There is some Kemp. There's a lot of veg. There's some dirt. When I washed the yarn, the water was a little dirty, not bad. Right now, stuff's falling out. just with me moving this. So if I tumbled it, I know 99% of the veg would just fall out because my lap is, you gotta see this. I don't know how much of that shows up, but there's just veg everywhere. Look. You see it falling. And that's just me patting it. Like nothing else, just patting it. It's going everywhere. So when I'm working with this fiber, I will make sure to shake it good, and maybe I can get it through the tumbler and tumble out all of the veg. Regardless, I will price the end products because I'm going to be making bats with this. That was the whole point of buying it. Dyeing it up and making pretty bats. So I will price them according to the quality of the end product. So if there's veg matter in the bats, then I will lower my price on them from what I would normally charge. But anyways, that's my wrap up on this whole unboxing and first spin experiment. The Shearer's Choice Cheviot that also came in the box is nowhere near as veg matter filled. It's really wonderful, so I'm not worried about that one at all. And the first color I dyed turned out amazing. So I don't have it to share with you because I still haven't washed it yet because I've not been feeling well. And that's just life. I'll get back to it soon. By the time you see this, it will have been a few weeks, so doing much better, I'm sure. And life settling back down into routine, and I don't have anything to worry about. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Bye, guys.